Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be sharing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Tuncurry in New South Wales, Australia. And this is the Service NSW office at Tuncurry. And so you can park your vehicle here outside for the driving test. See this parking space, two parking spots. These are meant for the driving test people. And we will start the driving test from here. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You will find many other driving test route on my YouTube channel. So let's go for the driving test now. So we will take out the vehicle out of this driving test route parking area, and so we will go straight. And take left on the Lake Street. So keep going straight, and we will take left on the main street, which is Manning Street. And this is a roundabout. You have to give way to the traffic on your right side, any traffic coming from the front turning right. So once it is all clear, you can take left on this roundabout. Keep going straight. So there is a red traffic light, so we need to wait. During your driving test, keep observing all the mirrors, rear view and two side mirrors, and always keep a watch on your speed limit, that you are not exceeding the speed limit, and always observe the traffic road sign. So that is the main key area to clear this exam. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. So keep going straight. Always look out for the pedestrian and always ready to stop if there is any emergency. So keep going straight. So this road is, although looks like turning left, but it is going straight, so there is no need to give the indicator. So keep going straight, and keep a safe distance with the vehicle in front of you. Don't do the tailgating, and keep going straight. This is a narrow bridge, and you have to be very safe. Don't cross the double lane, don't go on the other side, otherwise you will straightaway fail in the exam. Keep going straight. Because it's a narrow bridge, the appropriate speed will be 40 here. Keep going straight. And now the speed limit here is a 50. So from the roundabout we will go straight. So he may say you that take the second exit, which means go straight. keep going straight. And again, this is the roundabout. Give way to the traffic on your right side and go straight. So keep going straight. So this is a busy road, so keep observing all the traffic and keep looking all your mirrors, and make sure that you are ready to stop in case of emergency. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. Turn right on the cross street here. Give the right indicator, check all your mirrors and take the right turn. Yeah, and here you may be asked through the curbside parking. We will park here. Just give the left indicator, slowly move your vehicle to the curbside and don't hit the curb, and you park there. Put up the parking first and then pull the handbrake and turn off the engine and tell the instructor that you have parked. So that's it. So once it is done, he will tell you let's go now. So now turn down the parking brake and start the vehicle and put it in the drive. Give the right indicator and check over the shoulder on the right side. Check all the mirrors. When you are sure that no vehicle is coming from the behind, then you can start driving. So now take right on the Manila Street. So this is a school zone. So the speed limit will be 40 if it is 8 AM to 9:30 AM or 2 PM to 3:30 PM. So if there is a school zone timing, you have to observe that, and speed limit will be 40. Otherwise it is 50. And if you exceed the limit in the school zone area, you will straightway fail in the exam. So as you can see that, so you take left here. It is still a school zone. Keep driving straight. So as you can see, there is a signboard saying end school zone. So now it is a 50 zone, so you can drive at 50. So take left on the cross street. Check the left and right traffic, and when it is okay, then you can go ahead. So go straight and take right on the head street. This is the main street, so make sure that you are checking the traffic on both sides. Just stop, check the traffic on both sides. So when it is good, then you can go ahead. Go straight. So keep going straight. So keep going straight. Again, there is a school zone from 2:30 PM to 4 PM and 8 AM to 9:30 AM. There is a school zone. So you have to observe the school zone timing. Keep driving and take right on the Hadley Street. So turn right on the Hadley Street. So this is still a school zone. Keep driving. Keep going straight. Keep going straight and take left on the Palmer Street. Keep going straight, and now this is the end of school zone. The speed limit will be now 50 here. So you may be asked to do the reverse parking. So behind this black car we will do the reverse parking. So just park in parallel of that car, give the left indicator, check all the mirrors, and then slowly you can go reverse the vehicle. Keep checking all your mirrors. Don't get nervous. Don't hit the curb. So when you have parked, make sure that you are able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you, and then all the tires are straight, and put up the park, and then pull the handbrake and turn off the engine and tell the instructor that you have parked. So when this is done, so then the instructor may say let's go now, and then start the engine and pull down the handbrake and put up in the drive mode, give the right indicator and check all the mirrors. And when it is safe, you can slowly take out the vehicle. So go straight, take left on the Court Street. So you may be asked to do the 3-point turn here. So give the right indicator, check all the mirrors, and don't hit the curb. Stop here, put up the reverse, give the left indicator, and then check all the mirrors, reverse your vehicle. Don't go too far, put up the drive, give the right indicator, and you can move ahead. That's it. You have done the 3-point turn. Take right here. Check the traffic on both sides. So keep driving straight on the Palmer Street. This is a school zone. If it is not a school zone, then you are okay to drive at 50. Take left on the Hadley Street. Check the traffic on your right side. And now take right on the Lake Street. And again, there is a dotted line and there is a give way sign. So you have to check the traffic on both sides. And if it is all good, then you can go ahead. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 50 here. So now again there is a school zone between 8 AM to 9:30 AM and 2:30 to 4 PM. So if it is a school zone, your speed should be 40. Keep going straight. From the roundabout, take the second exit, means we will go straight. Go straight. And from the traffic lights, we will take right on McIntosh Street. Give the right indicator. This is a keep clear area. Don't park your vehicle here if there is a traffic. And now you can turn right, but you have to give way to any traffic coming from the front. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And now turn left on the Lakes Way, Pacific Highway. So keep going straight. The school limit is here 50 kilometer. Don't overspeed. Always keep looking your speed that you are not overspeeding. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. From the roundabout we will go straight. Give way to the traffic coming from the right side. Keep going straight. There is a traffic light. If there is a red, you have to stop. So now it is a green light. You can start driving slowly. Keep going straight. And from the roundabout we will go straight. Make sure that you are giving way to any traffic on your right side. So this is the left lane is merging. Give the right indicator and check your mirrors and you can merge in the right side. Keep going straight. This is a narrow bridge and don't cross the double lane. Keep going straight. And now the road is itself turning right. There is no need to give the indicator because you are just following the road. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. He may ask you to do the change lane, so turn right, give the right indicator, check the traffic, and that is how you change the lane. Go straight. Now turn right here. So now turn right at Beach Street. So now it's a green arrow to the right side, we can take right. So see now, and now turn left on the Park Street. So now you have completed your driving test, and good luck for your exam. Please watch this video 10 times and don't do any mistake. Practice on this route and then you can get the license in one go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.